We love you guys. We're showing up. Who want to show up for us? Me. Yay! We love you. We love you. We're showing up. How are you doing? How are you doing? Woo. How are you doing, guys? Welcome to our live chat. We love you. Yeah, how are you doing wherever you are? Yeah, as you can see, we are plenty. We are plenty. Isolate. Nekwe ya mama. And we have been seeing your love and support, and it's mind blowing. So I say thank you for always being there for us. You say thank you. We are live, face to face. As you can see us, we are here to have a good day with you, a nice day, a blessed day. And today marks the end of the week. I don't know where you're watching us from. Whenever you join us, tell me where you're watching us from. Are you watching us from Nigeria? Are you watching us from Russia? Are you watching us from the United States of America? Anywhere you're watching us from. Whenever you see this live video, drop and say hi. I greet you. Yes, I said today marks the end of the week in Nigeria. Today is Saturday, okay? And very soon we are approaching the new week, which is tomorrow, Sunday. Oh yeah. You can wound though. You see, I don't send it. I didn't send it to go and wound yourself. Hello friends, say hi to us whenever you join us. I say hi. We love you. We love you for being there for us. We throw away kisses for you, to you. Anytime you come across this video, this is for you. Say hi to us whenever you come across the video. And we need your like, we need your love, we need the shares. Yes, because we always bring out things that blows your mind, things that makes you happy. Maybe after coming back from work, you are weird, you are bored, just enter our channel. This is our TV. You are going to see lots of things that will make you happy. You'll be like laughing. You'll be laughing. Hello friends. Anytime you come back from work and you feel like you're tired, she don't want it. Anytime you come back from work, you're tired, just come and join our channel. Go through the channel. You are going to, everything about it's going to spice your day. Okay, so I welcome you all. I welcome you to this humble abroad. I welcome you, my new followers, my old followers. We love you. Throw kisses. Give us a like. You are joining us. Give us a like. Press the like button to show that we love you more. Show us love by clicking on that like button. Okay, click on the you can push it, move this way. Click on the like button. Okay. It's sweet. All right, we love you. Anytime you come back from work, join our channel. Anytime you come back from school, you're tired, you're bored, come and join our channel. Click here. You will laugh like like chicken laugh. You know that kind of chicken laugh. That's the kind of laugh. That's the kind of laugh you'll be laughing that chicken time. Please, can you like our video? I see you like our video. I thank you. Please, can you, if you can drop a contact for us, drop a chat for us. Say hi to our head on full. Say hi to us. Let's know that, and give us like our video, show love to us. Anytime you come across this video, Do like this. My daughter is showing you how to like the video. Show them how to like the video. Click like this and show us love on this video. I want you to be the first person to do that. Thank you. You are part of us. We love you too. Yes. Mommy, you can't. Jesus, you just break this thing. Stop. Mommy. See. Come here. Hello, viewers. Thank you. Yeah, here. Mommy, stay well now. Stay well. I don't like it, you know. Stay. Sit down with me. You're here to have a good day with you. Yeah. You're here to have a good day with you. To say hi to you. Hi. We are not robots. We are human. We are not robots. We are human. And we need the love and support. We need the algorithm to start favoring us. We need it to start pushing us because we are moving higher. We are going higher. And that's our belief. It will come to pass. Okay? And we too will love you for the support. No matter the little support you are giving us. Please like our video. And we love you. Like our video. Show us that love, care, and support. Love our video. Like our video. Like our video. Okay? Thank you. We love you. We love you. Mommy, stop. Mommy, stop. You can go to your side. We throw away kisses to you. Mommy, kisses, plenty kisses from my baby. Baba is kissing. Baba, my baby is kissing. My baby is kissing. Try how. Hello, friends. We love you. 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 Thank you for always being there with us. We love you for the love. We say thank you. We say thank you. We say thank you. These kisses are for you. No, mommy, come here now. Move to this way. See, we love you, our beautiful viewers. Thank you for always being there for us. Okay, thank you for always showing your love. Thank you for mommy, what's it? Was you okay? Come here, mommy, come out. Thank you. Come here. Let's sing. Come here. We say thank you. We love you, beautiful followers. We love you guys. Say we love you guys. Say we love you guys. Say we love you guys. We say we say we say we say we say we love you guys. We love. We are showing love. We love you. We love you. We love you, people. We love you, people. Yeah. Long bye. It's a bye.